So from the assignment page, you have downloaded this 101 MIDI exercise zip file. So just unzip this. Then go ahead and open up Pro Tools here. Inside your dashboard, let's create a new session. Let's call it your last name _ MIDI exercise _ the date. Make sure it is broadcast wave, 24-bit, 48K. And I/O settings, you can have that be stereo mix or last used. Make a note of where you're putting it and go ahead and click create. So let's make sure that the settings are in order for a MIDI project. So on your main time counter here, we want this to be on the relative time scale bars and beats. Let's set your grid value to 1 bar. Then you have your MIDI controls over here, which we've gone over in another video. And let's make sure that the conductor track is enabled. It is blue when it's enabled. Let's go ahead and import some MIDI then. So you go to File, go to Import MIDI, navigate to where that folder is. And then we want to import the file called MIDI PT101 Exercise 6 Canon Part 1. So click on that, .mid. Then it brings up this window here. There's 2 different ways to import here. So we're going to do the first one. So we're going to import to new tracks and we are going to put it on an instrument track. Location should be set to session start. In this file, the composer has included some tempo changes. So we have to check the box import tempo map from MIDI file. Then we go ahead and click OK. So we can see that we have all this MIDI data, but remember MIDI is just data. It doesn't play back audio by itself. So we need to have some sort of an instrument that would allow us to play this. We either have to connect a hardware synthesizer to it, or we are going to have to load some instruments onto our inserts here. So if we don't see our inserts, I'm going to get rid of these for a second. We can go to View and Edit Window Views. And we're looking for inserts A through E. So the other way we could do this is we could go right above our tracks to this grid here. And this is called your Edit Window View selector. And while we're here, let's put instrument on here and let's put I/O on there if it's not there already.